Rachel Lemons, author of Fish Food, and I'm glad to be joining you here today to answer a couple of questions. Many people have been asking me why fish food, and I totally get it. Why fish food? Well, the reason why fish food is because we all have our own fish food experiences. The title came from the story of Jonah and the whale. At least this is how we like to tell our children the story of Jonah and this huge fish who swallows him after he's been thrown into the waters. And somehow it seems like the story's always made you feel a little bit cozy. But I'd like to suggest to you that it was anything but cozy. In fact, God used this situation to save Jonah's life. Let's think of it from a different perspective. When we watch the movie Jaws, we never think of the character being swallowed by a shark and resting comfortably inside of the shark's belly for 3 days. That's what happened with Jonah. Jonah should have died when he was thrown into the sea. In that moment when he was thrown into the sea, into the midst of this huge fiery storm, he was thrown into the water. That fish was sent by God to save Jonah's life. Now that experience in and of itself, being eaten by a fish, it also should have been a harrowing experience. It also should have been an experience that took Jonah out. But God used this experience to save Jonah's life. And I'd like to suggest to you the same thing. God is using some experience in your life. I'm not sure what it is right now, but He's using that experience to save you. It may seem like the experience is going to take you out, but it's that experience that God's going to use to change your character, to change your relationship with Him, to help you learn how to depend on Him, and to see that He's a loving God. I had my own fish food experience, and it was in this moment, in that experience, that God was able to speak to my heart in a way that He had never been able to speak to it before. Our relationship became deeper, it became more intimate, and I began to have more of a dependence on God. So I'd like to suggest to you that you think right now. Think of an experience that you have in your life, either an experience you've had in the past or an experience you're having right now. It might seem like that experience is intended to take you out. Maybe you lost a loved one, someone that was really dear to you. Maybe you totaled a car, you've been in an accident, you've been injured in a way that seems to be like you will never recover from it. Maybe you failed out of school or you've lost a job. Whatever it is that you're going through in this moment, God is trying to use that experience to help save you, to help you have a greater dependence on Him, to have a greater relationship with Him, to see what a loving God He is. Why fish food? That's why fish food, because we all have an experience that was intended to take us out, but God wants to use that experience to save us. All things work together for good for those who love God and are called according to His purposes. So don't look on the bad side of that negative experience. Look and see how God is trying to use that experience to save you. That's your food for thought for today.